This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials in place: credentials with admin rights and access to the server. First, check the SQL Server service and start it if stopped. This resolves many transient failures. Next, open the error log and note the exact error code and timestamp so you know what to target. While doing this, verify any recent configuration or deployment changes, because most errors follow a change. Once done, you'll be ready to isolate the cause and apply targeted fixes. Now, investigate the error. Map the code to common causes like permissions, connectivity, or resource limits so you know how to act. Use SQL Profiler or extended events to capture the failing statements. This shows the exact query and parameters. If it's permissions, grant minimal required rights. If it's connection-related, check network, aliases, and firewall rules. For resource issues, adjust max memory or free disk space, then apply changes and restart the service to validate the fix. Finish by validating the fix. Replay the failing queries or run the original workload to ensure errors no longer occur. Make sure to monitor error logs and performance counters for 24 to 48 hours because intermittent problems often reappear. If issues persist, roll back to a known good backup or configuration and escalate with gathered logs and traces. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see errors, capture a full trace and include timestamped error log lines before escalating to support or senior DBAs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.